Hi fam, you're welcome to Aline vs Food. So in today's video, we'll be sharing with you how you can make this yummy breakfast recipe. This is perfect breakfast for your kids before they go to school, and trust me, you can make this in less than 15 minutes. So guys, make sure you watch this till the end because baby has a kiss for you you don't want to miss out on. So these are the ingredients you'll be needing for this quick breakfast recipe. Slices of bread depending on the quantity you are making. After that, I'll be making use of some sardines. So this is just fish basically. You can use corned beef if that's what you have available. I'm using 2 eggs. I'm going to be using some chopped onions, some chopped scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning cubes, and some salt. So guys, let's make magic. So firstly, I'm going to be mashing up my sardine. So if you are using corned beef or any form of canned meat or anything you're using, just do well to mash it out and spread it before you proceed to the next step. So I have 2 eggs here. I'm going to beat them properly, and then I'm going to be adding them into the sardine. Next, I'm going to be adding in my chopped onion, followed by my scotch bonnet pepper. Next, I'll be adding in seasoning cubes, a bit of seasoning cube, and then some salt. I'll just then move on to give this a really nice mix. You want this to be fully combined, so you give this a really nice mix. Guys, if you are watching this and you are new on our channel, why don't you just take our time to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so anytime we upload these yummy recipes, you get to see it. So next, in a pan, I'm just going to add in some butter, and I'm going to place in a slice of bread. I'll just leave this for a while for the bread to really absorb some of this yummy butter, and then I'm going to flip to the other side. So guys, make sure you do this on low heat because you don't want your bread to burn. So next, I'm going to be adding some of that delicious mixture I have. Just add it slightly on one side of the bread. So you can feel free to be very generous with this, or you put it as little as you want depending on the quantity you are making, and then you want to make sure you have enough to go around. So next, I'll just be flipping the sides, as you can see. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of that mixture also on the other side. As you can see, while we're doing this, the other side of the bread is frying properly. So at the end of the day, when we flip these sides, both sides will be fully cooked. So gently make sure it doesn't stick to the pan, and then you flip. You then leave the other side to fry properly, and guys, guess what? Breakfast is ready. This is perfect to go with hot chocolate, your tea, and your children are good to go. With just a slice of this, my baby is good to go. So guys, let me know what you think about this recipe. If you have not, make sure you subscribe to our channel, so whenever we drop all these yummy recipes, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Here is our kiss.